Welcome to Alvinsa Studio. Today we're unlocking the secret to building the best container home. Whether you're dreaming of a modern minimalist retreat, a cozy off-grid escape, or a sustainable family haven, we've got the tips and inspiration to turn shipping containers into the home of your dreams. From innovative design ideas to practical building strategies, this video will guide you through everything you need to know to create a container home that's stylish, functional, and uniquely yours. Ready to dive into the ultimate guide for container home success? Let's get started, right here on Alvinsa Studio. Welcome to the world of container homes, where sustainability meets creativity. Who said dream homes need to be expensive or conventional? Container homes challenge these assumptions, teasing the modern dweller with a perfect blend of elegance and affordability. If you haven't jumped on this unique housing trend yet, you're missing out on more than just a stylish abode. In this video, we dive deep into the essentials of crafting the perfect container home. We'll unravel the building secrets, share insights from experts, and explore personal stories of those who made it successfully. By the end of your video, you'll be equipped with not just the knowledge, but the inspiration to embark on your own container home adventure. Number 1. Why choose a container home? Container homes are becoming a go-to option for environmentally conscious individuals. Their appeal lies in sustainability and affordability. These homes give a second life to shipping containers, reducing waste while creating unique living spaces. Additionally, they are more budget-friendly compared to traditional homes, and construction time is considerably shorter. Imagine moving into your new home in a fraction of the time it typically takes. It's not just about the practicality. There's an aesthetic allure, a modern industrial vibe that many find irresistible. Number 2. Building a container home. The basics. Interested in starting your project? Let's begin with the foundations. The most critical step is selecting the right container. Depending on your design and space requirements, you'll choose from standard sizes like 20-foot or 40-foot high cube containers. New or used, the decision is yours. Considerations include budget, location, and design. Once these are sorted out, you can kick off with planning and permits. Here is where your container home starts becoming a reality. By the end of your video, you'll be equipped with not just the knowledge, but the inspiration to embark on your own container home adventure. Design is everything when it comes to container homes. Think out of the box. These modular structures offer endless possibilities, from cozy studios to expansive multi-container homes. For example, layering containers or setting them in unique arrangements can create architectural wonders. Consider including open spaces and large windows to enhance natural light flow. Connect with architects specializing in sustainable homes to realize your vision effectively and creatively. Container homes, while simple in concept, require specific materials to ensure quality and durability. Start with high insulation panels to regulate temperature efficiently. Other essentials include weather-resistant paints and coatings to prevent rust, and durable flooring for a robust finish. Tools like welding equipment and power drills are staples for assembly. Professionals suggest using eco-friendly and reclaimed materials wherever possible to reduce environmental impact and enhance your home's charm. One of the key components of a comfortable container home is proper insulation. Containers are made of steel, making them prone to temperature fluctuations. The ideal solution: high-quality insulation panels. They maintain a stable internal temperature, shielding from harsh weather conditions. Options like spray foam, cork panels, or rock wool provide excellent insulation. Each comes with its set of pros and cons, so research well to choose what best suits your needs. Container homes are an eco-conscious choice. Using discarded containers reduces industrial waste significantly. Going further, you can incorporate solar panels and rainwater systems to enhance efficiency. Utilize sustainable materials and low-VOC paints to keep your home healthy and environmentally friendly. You can even build a green roof for added thermal efficiency. Being eco-friendly doesn't mean compromising style or comfort. In fact, it often elevates your home's aesthetic while helping the planet. With compact living, smart storage becomes essential. Customized furniture that saves space, like wall-mounted beds or built-in shelves, can greatly enhance functionality. Moreover, consider using loft spaces for bedrooms or offices. This not only adds flair, but also maximizes vertical space usage. Sneak in cleverly hidden compartments or pull-out platforms under stairs or couches for an uncluttered look. Maintaining the structural integrity of your container home is non-negotiable. Ensure that the weight distribution is balanced and that containers are properly aligned. It's critical to consult with an engineer to address any safety concerns, particularly concerning openings for doors and windows. Reinforcement might be necessary to maintain stability. Safety aspects extend beyond foundation. Reinforcing your containers to withstand natural calamities can give you peace of mind. Considering your geographical location during design can significantly affect climate control. In colder areas, south-facing windows can help in passive heating. For warmer climates, reflective paint and awnings can keep interiors cool. Tailoring these little design aspects helps in reducing energy expenditure, making your home more sustainable and habitable. Your home should tell your story. Add personal touches that reflect your style, whether it's vintage wall art or modern minimalist decor. Balancing functionality with style is key. Choose durable yet aesthetic materials for interior finishes, and don't shy away from pops of color to breathe life into your home. Remember, the beauty in container homes lies in their potential for customization. Make your space uniquely yours. Understanding the costs involved can keep your project financially feasible. The starting price varies based on location, design complexities, and material choice. Factor in permits, customization, and unforeseen expenses. Setting a favorable budget ensures peace of mind throughout construction. Budget tips include sourcing locally, embracing DIY approaches, and prioritizing energy-efficient installations for long-term savings. Every building choice comes with pros and cons. The highlights of container homes include affordability, sustainability, and quick assembly. However, potential issues with zoning laws, insulation, and rust are not negligible. Being aware of these aspects helps in making informed decisions. Preparing a comprehensive list will guide you in avoiding pitfalls. Regulations can sometimes deter the excitement of building a container home, but fear not. It's all about knowing and preparing in advance. Consult with local planning departments to understand zoning laws and necessary permits. Engage with experts to navigate through complex paperwork. Securing necessary approvals not only avoids legal troubles, but also enables a smooth construction process. Weather can pose challenges for container homeowners. Solutions include employing advanced roofing materials and elevated build foundations. Consider compact layouts and robust materials when opting for locations prone to hurricanes or heavy snowfall. Additionally, sustainable design elements like wind barriers and thermal barriers can significantly enhance your home's resilience. Let's draw inspiration from the successes of others. Case studies are a fountain of knowledge and motivation. For instance, the Urban Rigger student housing project in Copenhagen showcases how container homes can solve real-world issues creatively and sustainably. Exploring such examples equips you with diverse perspectives and design ideas, pushing the boundaries of conventional housing. Building expertise is integral to the success of your container home. Reach out to industry professionals. Connect with architects and builders who have first-hand experience in container constructions. Their insights can preemptively resolve potential design flaws and construction challenges. An expert-driven approach ensures a balance of innovation and safety, bridging your vision with practical solutions. In summation, building a best container home is both rewarding and challenging, but with the right tools and guidance, success is fully achievable. As we move into environmentally conscious living, container homes represent a significant stride towards eco-friendly domiciles. Future trends suggest an increase in tech-integrated designs, enhancing efficiency and livability. So, are you ready to jump onto the container home bandwagon? the future beckons with possibilities as endless as your imagination. And that concludes our journey into the secret to building the best container home. From innovative designs to practical tips, we hope this video has inspired you to turn your dream container home into a reality. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share your thoughts in the comments below, and subscribe to Alvinsa Studio for more exciting insights into creative and sustainable living spaces. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time, right here on Alvinsa Studio.